So to this workout, my love, we're gonna use the chair for our ab workout. It's a short and easy workout. You don't need to go on the floor. Hi, my loves. Welcome back to my channel of blessing. Hi, my loves. Hi, darling. To this. Okay. So to this workout, my loves, can you please put down the camera? That's too hot. Put down. Oh, stay put where you are. Okay. Just come closer. No, no, no. That's too close. Okay. So stay there. So my love. So to this workout, we're gonna use the chair for our. Ah. Now. Why? Okay, don't you go in the camera, okay? So now, my loves, we're gonna use the chair for our ab workout. Now, let's get started. Baby. Gee, serious ba? Gee! Mm. Let's see. I'm taking my blood. That's alright. Hi, my love. So today's workout is it's a quick workout using the chair. All you need to do is just to sit down and eat. All you have to do is just to sit down and eat. Hi, my love. So today's vlog is. Hi, my love. So today's video. So we're gonna have sa mukha nito, Hana. Ay! Hi! Can you say hi to everyone? No, hi. But anyway, my love. Hi, my love. So to this vlog, my love, to this video is we're gonna have a quick workout using the chair. Hi, my loves. To this vlog. Hi, my love. So to this vlog, my love, is we're gonna use the chair. Okay, you're gonna use the chair for our workout. So we don't need to go on the floor. So just use the chair. So if you have chair at home, use it not for food but for your lobo. I. Hi, my love. So to this workout, my love, we're gonna use that chair for our ab workout. It's a short and easy workout. You don't need to go on the floor just to protect our back. Kaya kung uban ng good mo, higda na, there's a lot of oh! Hi, my love. So to this workout, my love, we're gonna use the lingkuranan. Okay? Mulingkod ta sa lingkuranan, not for lingkod-lingkod, but we're gonna use it for our ab workout, my love. So, na mag-upan mag-workout good nga, muhigda sa lingkuranan. Muhigda sa lingkuranan. Hi, my love. So to this workout is ab workout. It's a short workout and we're gonna use the chair. Let's get started, baby.